So yeah, so I'm back. I thought I'd do a string today, seeing as that's not been one, and also we need to get on with this. So I've been trying to get the collision working, and I'm having lots and lots of problems. I don't know if it's because my brain wasn't in gear or something like that. You know, being away, you know, my brain was going, "What are you working for, John? Just chill out." So yeah, and I've also incorporated the new Beebcadia kick export system in here. Yeah, so there is a bug. That's the thing. I need to put the bug in. Right. I'll show you the bug. So here we go. So this is the bug, look. This is the bug. So for some reason, the data, I thought I got it exporting in a thingy manner, because that doesn't. I thought I got it exporting properly. Where's the ship? Arcadia ships. Yeah, I don't know why it's doing that, but that is a bug, so we need to report that. Let's get that in there. New issue. Because it's supposed to be grouped. I thought I'd set it to be grouped, but hey ho. Right, let's take a quick screenshot. Let's take a quick screenshot so I can do it. So we'll do that. Paste that in. Submit. Right. So that's a new one. So labels. It's a bug. Could be a first-time user bug. Projects. It's that. Status to do, because we haven't assigned it. Oh, I'm not linking to a pull request just yet. Right, so that's a new issue in the issue logs. But yes, got to sort that out. So yeah, but I'm not using that. I am using. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm saving it as a bin. As before, but we've put this extra code functionality to do this. But I'm just using the bin, but I am using this. Right. So I've now changed all the things. So in assets now, look. So I'm still doing the binary import. Oh, excuse me. I'm still doing the binary import. But I have specified the base locations for the imports, yeah, because the base locations is actually in that thing, and here they are for the 8x16s, and this is the conversion here. This is the conversion because we've relocated the 8x16s into a different space, so the base location has to be worked out, yeah, and same with the 8x8s because we've moved the 8x8s as well. So I've had to do some working out to work out the base locations. But here it is. Here are all the imports. Here are all the imports for that those sprites that I've imported, and then I've referenced them directly in the lookups. Look. So here we go. So the 8x8 matrix. So The bullets, that's frame 1, frame 2. The explosion, frame 1, frame 2, frame 3, frame 4, frame 5. So now you can actually explicitly reference each of the sprites because of the offset. Yeah. So I don't have to do all that calculations where we add the base times by the sprite number times by the offset for that particular sprite definition. Don't have to do that now. And it works really well. So there's the 8x16 sprites. And then the 16 by 16 sprites. And it's all using now the information file that is spat out when you do the export. This, if you specify kick, that is, if you specify kick. If you don't specify kick, you'll get the Beeb assembly version. But everything is now, each icon is now individually referenced, and because it's code, because it's scoped, you can do this, yeah, because it's scoped. So yeah, it worked pretty well. It works pretty well. So I was trying to make the sprites a little bit better, the cleaning up of the sprites a little bit better, but I was having lots. Does Kick export animation frames and their ordering yet? No, that is still a feature that needs to be done. That's still a feature that needs to be done. Fizgog, I don't know. Have you seen what he's done? He's got now the sprites rotating for any angle, and he's done a image importer, sprite sheet importer, so you can load a sprite sheet, the complete sprite sheet, and then highlight all the areas that you want to create, and it creates a sprite out of it. But he's got the image rotator. Very impressive stuff. Very impressive stuff. But I haven't pulled that into the repo yet. So yeah, but yeah, no one, I don't know if did I claim that animation one? Let's have a look. I can't remember if I claimed it. Let's have a look. Who's got what? So let's have a look. Multiple no one's claimed it yet. Multiple animation collections. So no one's claimed it yet. So, but oh, this one's done, isn't it? This one's done. This is in progress. Oh, I can't assign it because they're not here. But we'll do it here. Right, that should be in progress. And then when I bring it in, it'll go into test. He's also done he's done rotation, but that's not on here. That's an extra one. Oh, he's done that as well, hasn't he? He's done that. Hang on. That's in progress. Oh no, that's in progress. Oh no, it's in test because I did do the pull request. Yeah, so there's still a few more things to do. Yeah. Right. But yes, it's on the list. It's on the list to do. So it's just a case. I might do it if I've got some time. Right. So I was trying to make the sprite drawing system a bit more intelligent. The clearing out one, what it does, it just wipes everything out. Yeah. So if it's an 8x8, it just wipes out that 8x8 and then redraws. And what I tried to do, and I couldn't for the life of me get it working, was to take the area and mask out the frame but leave what's behind, leave what was there behind. So if sprite drew over the top of it, all I wanted to do was take out what was put before it and leave the rest intact. But could I get it to work? Could I? Yeah. Can't get it. I was getting all sorts of artifacts and gave up in it. I mean, I can show you. I can show you it. I can show you it not working. Hang on. Right. So I need to change that, and I need to change that. So let's just rem that out and change that to level 01. Right. And I can show you what it does. And it's really, really frustrating. Really, really frustrating because I do not know why it's doing it. Do not know why it's doing it. Look. And I do not know why it's doing it. So I gave up. I spent 3 nights on this trying to figure this out. I changed it to draw the sprite, and it draws the sprite perfectly fine. It draws it perfectly fine. Try to erase it. Doesn't like it. Does not like it. And I don't know why. It baffled me. I even copied the draw functionality into the clear functionality, and it was still doing the same thing. I'm thinking, I can't win. Can't win. So if you want to know, right, so that's the draw. So it's the clear. Right, hang on, where is it? Clear. Keep going down, because I'm doing the clear 8x8 at the moment. There we go, clear 8x8. So I work out where the sprite is, which is the same. I work out where to put it on the screen, which is the same as draw. Right? The only difference is, and in fact, I'm only doing an OR look. I'm not even inverting it. I am taking where the sprite is, ORing it, and then storing it on the screen. So basically, I am doing the same thing as the draw, and it doesn't do it. And I just gave up. I just gave up. So if I do that, it will go back to being just wiping out what was there. It just go back to wiping out what was there. I just can't figure it out. Wait until it comes on the screen. There we go. So it you know, just can't figure it out. And I've ran through the code. I've looked at them. I've done that. I stepped through it. I looked at the memory locations. I looked at the self-modifying locations. They had the same memory address, but it wasn't producing the same sprite. I was just getting fed up and I thought, nah, I'm not doing any more. So all the code's still there, look. All the code is still there. But I walked through it. And for some reason... Aha! Saucy! You and me... Same thing. I changed the way the animation works, right? Because I knew for a fact that when you clear out, it's got to be on the previous frame. It's got to clear out the previous frame. So I changed the way everything works. So we have 2 now animation indexes. One in the old, where it was, and one in the new, where it is. Yeah? So I put in some code that when, let me find it. Oh, where is it? Where did I put it? Did I put it in here? Hang on, let me look at the lookups. Can't remember where I put it. So it's doing the utils. Right. So right, utils, where it is. I'm doing the swap in the utils, I think. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. It's in... Is it in there? Oh, hang on. Where's Arcadia? Ah, draw sprites. It's in sprite. Draw sprites. Here we go. So here we go. Right. So we draw the sprite. Then I load the entry element. I do the swap the new position for the old position, and then I do swap the new sprite index to the old sprite index, because we've now just put it on the screen. And I have walked through it, I've checked all the memory locations, and I just don't understand why it's not even drawing the sprite. It doesn't even look like any of the sprites that I've got. It just doesn't look like any of them. I don't understand. I don't understand, and I've walked through it. Hey Carlodos, welcome. I walked through it, I just don't understand it. Look, that is not any of the sprites. So if I, because I was expecting it to draw straight over the top, yeah? So if I change the clear to be EOR instead of OR, hang on, let me find it. Because we're in the 8x8. I was trying to fix it on the 8x8. Clear 8x8. Where are you? 16. 8x8. Here we go. So I was doing OR, yeah? So what I was trying to do was I was XORing it with FF to negate it, yeah? And then ANDing it to do it. And I'll put it back in, yeah? So, and... Oops. And so basically it gets the byte, yeah, inverts it, and then ANDs it, yeah, with the memory load, with the screen. So hopefully that's what I thought, but I've checked, mate. I checked, and I can... Okay, what did I do? What did I do? Hang on, have I made a mistake? Have I cocked it up? That looks all right. Load character 1, exclusive OR it, and it, store it. Load character 2, exclusive OR, and it, store it. Load character 3, exclusive or and it, store it. Am I? It may not be updating those self mods. Yeah. I thought that as well, but all the routines are code blocked. What did that assembled, didn't it? I haven't run over anything, have I? No? I haven't run over anything. Well, that's just pants. Right, hang on. Let's try it a different way then. EOR. EOR. Do it again. I just don't know. I just don't know. And it's baffled me all holiday. All holiday. Because if I take the drawer out, look. If I take the drawer out. So it's only going to do the arrays. Yeah? It's only going to do the arrays. Now, because the sprite's not there, it should put the sprite there because it's an EOR. I mean, this is an issue, but I can easily sort. Look, it's not even putting the sprite. It's not the right sprite. I have no idea where it's looking. I just don't know. I have no idea where it's looking. It's using the same code as the draw. The only difference is that it's the XOR, yeah? That's the only difference, and I am baffled by it. I thought it was this. Normalizing for clear because it's different than the draw, but it's not. But everything else is exactly the same as the draw, except for the fact that it's doing an ER or instead of an ORA. And it's putting in the same sprite number as well, and I don't understand it. I just don't understand it. I mean, we can check it because there's a routine in the sprite that allows you to put a number on the screen, right? So the routine is this, look. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I thought it. No, it's not in here. It's in sprite, isn't it? Yeah. Right. Where is it? Not that. Not that. Not that. Print character. Here, print hex. Right. Print hex. So it prints whatever's in the accumulator to the screen. Right. So here we go. So we're going to print whatever's in the accumulator to the screen. So let me go down to it. All right. There we go. So display 8x8, yeah. Oh, that's display. I'm clear, aren't I? Clear. Clear, clear, clear. Display. Must be further down. Hang on, where am I? Decode screen. Where am I? Utils. Oh. Sprite. I want to be there, don't I? Right, clear. 8x8. Doesn't look like both bytes of Sprite 3 and Sprite 4 were updated. You are really? Yeah, they are. We're in mode 2. We're in mode 2. And I can show you in the the thingy, yeah. Right. So I need to right, here we go. So it's got to be in here. Yes, display 8x8. Where's display? Here we go. Display 8x8, right? So I get the sprite number from the last here. This is the last index, right? So what I'm going to do is I am going to insert some code, and I'm going to do this, right? So LDA that, right? And then what we do is we LDX hash 0, LDY hash 0, JSR sprites dot print hex. Oh, he's dreaming again. Right, so this will tell us, this will print what our last animation index is, and I will do the same with the new. Right, so here, so I will do the same with the new. So new. So the new one will always be ahead of the old one, yeah? And this time we'll put this at 10. So it'll be on the top row somewhere. Right, so here we go. Right. There we go. So this is always ahead of this. So 3, 3. 2, 3... See, it's right. It is right. It's got the right index. It can't be that. It can't be that. It can't be that. That's right. It's right. I don't want to do this no more. So I proved that my animation index storing is working. And I did this on holiday and I was just baffled. Right, where's the build? Here we go. So if we look for find clear sprite 8x8. I think that's what I'm looking for. Or is it by 8? What am I looking for? Oh, clear 8x8. 8x8. There we go. So look, 3 and 4 are in the code. So this is, so 3 and 4 is 16A8 and 16B2. 16A8 is 16A. Oh, it's there. There we go. There it is. Yeah, that's the +1. And the other one is there. B2. Yeah, it's clearly grabbing the data from the wrong spot. But I have no idea where. Because what? Right. let me show you, right? So 1692. So I'm going to put a breakpoint at 1692, right? 1692. And I'll do the same for the draw, yeah? I'll do the same for the draw. Draw. I really didn't want to do this. Draw 8 by 8. Here we go. So, and I'll grab this one. So 1441. 1411, right? So I'm going to put a breakpoint at them so we can see what is going on, right? So let me fire it up. I have got this main debugger working, but I can't work it for some reason. I cannot work it for some reason, but we'll use it. See if I can get it working live on stream, or get frustrated with it again. Here we go. So there it is, MAME. Right, F5 to run. Come on, run. Run! Right, oh, it's still not doing it. Oh, this is annoying. Star, run, main. Right, so let's put the breakpoints in before we do anything. Let's see if this works. B1411. Help. Breakpoints. Help. Break points. Oh, BP. BP. Right, okay. BP set 1411. Oh, got yeah, right. BP set 1692. BP list. Right, so we've got 2 breakpoints set. Right, here we go. Right. F1. No, F2. There we go. Right. So, as you can see, it's doing the clear. As you can see, it's doing the clear, right? 06AO. So that must be where it is. That must be where it is. So let's have a look. 06AO. 80. 06AO. There it is. That's the first sprite. And all of them, look, are all set to the same location. All of them. Right, so I'm gonna get it to run. Hang on, F5, and it's doing. There we go. So the sprite's at the top of the screen. Can you see it? Now we are drawing the new sprite. Look, OACO, OACO. So that must be sprite number 2. Hang on. Let's check. Where's the lookups? Here we go. So the 8 by 8 array, level 1. There we go. 06CO. So that's the sprite number 2. So it's definitely pointing to the right space to draw, right? So remember, 06CO, right? Remember. So we'll draw it. So look, it's drawing it on the screen, look. And it's gone to 1690 again. That is weird. Have I got it drawing? Have I got it drawing? Oh, hang on. Oh, 1441 is the draw. Right, 1690 is the draw. No, 1690 is the clear. Right, let's get it to do the drawing as well. Hang on. Let's get it to do the drawing. I don't think I've got it drawing. No, I rammed it out like a wally. Yeah. Right, let me just... Now we know how to do all this. Right, let's close that down. Right, let's run the debugger again. So are you impressed? I've got the main debugger working on it. The only thing, it keeps going on that screen. Hang on. Drag it across. Right, let's put the breakpoints in. I don't think the breakpoints would be there. BP list, I think there's nothing. Yeah. So BP set 1411. BP. Oh, I hope it's the same place. I hope it's the same place. Let's just have a quick look. 1692 is still the clear. Is the draw in the same place? Yes, it is. Right. So BP set 1692. Right. Okay. Right. F5. Come on. F5. There we go. Right. I think that's just waiting for me to press a key. There we go. Right then. Come on. There we go. Right, so this is the draw. So remember 16CO. That is the first sprite. Yeah. So let's do it. So then there it is. So it's plotting it on the screen. Look. So that's done the first one. Then it should now run round and then do the clear. Right. So there's the clear. And look, it's loading from 06CO. I have no idea why it doesn't work. So we load. So that should be plotting. Oh, it just doesn't do it, does it? It's just corrupted it. It's overwriting it. Right, I'm going to step through it, alright? So I'm going to get it to draw the next sprite. Alright, so this is 06EO. Right, now we're in the clear. Now we're in the clear routine. So I'm going to try... Hang on, how can I step... F6. F6? Let's have a look. F6. What does that do? Does that move to the next one? Well, I don't know what that's doing. Oh, okay. Right, let's do it again. Right, so 0700, so it's drawing the sprite. We'll get to 169. Here we go. Right. Oh, what am I doing? Am I stepping F11? I'm going to try this step into. Yeah. I'm going to try this step into. So X is 0. Yeah, and Y is 0. So it's in the right place. It's in the right place. Right. What am I wanting? F11. Let's see what F11 does. F11? Does that move down one? Yeah, here we go. Right, so it's loaded NAFL 0, which is right. 0700? Yeah, it's 0. Right, what's in B8? Let's have a look. What's in B8? B8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6, 7, 0. That sounds about right. Or does it? No, that sounds about right. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, that sounds right. 3670. It's got to be somewhere on the screen. Right. So we're going to XOR it with what's on the screen. So let's do that. 11. So the accumulator's 0 at the moment, right? And it's 0, which would be right. And then we're going to store it. So we load Y with 8. So that's the next. Byte along. We've increased X by 1 to get the next byte in the sprite sheet. So the accumulator 0, EOR 0, store 0. That's right. Then we do it again. So we got 0 again. Do it again. And we got 0 again. Right. So now it's going to do the add. And now we're doing it again. So this is the next row. So 0, XOR it. Hopefully we should get some numbers in the accumulator soon. I bet it's going to be on the next row. Right, here we go. So we are on byte 6. Still 0. Rats. Byte 7. Here we go. OC. We've got a number. We've got a number. Right. So we should have OC on the screen. Yeah. So therefore, when we do the EOR, I mean, where's B8? It's B8. 3672. Hang on, can I do a memory 3672? Oh crap. Really? I don't want to fill. I just want to look. Dump. I thought dump was dumping it to a file. Yeah, it's got file name in there. Dump file name, dump file name, dump file name, dump file name, str dump file name. Just give me something where I can see it. Right, we'll have to look on here. What was it? 3672. Let's have a look. See if I can scroll down to 3672. 3672012 is 08. See, that's wrong. I'm bringing in OC and it says 08. That's not right. X is 7. So 0700 7. 0700 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's bringing OC But B8... Oh, hang on. Hang on. What's Y? 8. So B8... 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 3672 plus 8. So that's 36... 7A, isn't it? 36 7A. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right, so if we're... Oh, that's wrong. Why is it not pointing there? Maybe that's what's wrong with it. I don't know. Right. I'm gonna let it go. I'm gonna let it go ahead. Right. F5. We'll get to the next. Right. So, oh rats! I've missed it. Rats! I missed it. Hang on. Keep an eye on it, John. Keep an eye. Right, here we go. We're on the draw, right? So we're gonna load each byte in, yeah? So the first one is 0. Oh right, so am I gonna have to write this all down? 806CO. Right, 06CO. And we're at 0. Right, hang on. Let's do this. So we're going to grab this. I don't know how many bytes I'm going to take, but I think it's only 2 lines. So I think it's only 2 lines. Because the next will be 06EO, I think. Right. Do something about this. Right, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. So we are going to be picking up 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 3, 0, 2, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0. Right. So B8. Let's have a look where B8's pointing. B8 is pointing to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3B50. Right, 3B50 is all the zeros. Right, so we've got a great place to start. I wonder if I can put FFs in there. Oh yeah. But it's not putting anything on the screen now, is it? Right. Where's my black space? Anyway, so this is the area we're going to be painting in, yeah? So we should end up with this in that where I've got that there. So let's do it. Let's F5 it. So that is not showing, is it? That is not showing. B8. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3B50. Why is it not put it on the screen? I think you can tell MAME to colour tint memory addresses. Can you? Oh, I don't know. But the sprite's not on the screen. That's what's got me. The sprite's not on the screen. We've just gone through the draw and it's not put it on the screen. I am baffled. Baffled. But yeah, fine. I would understand if it hasn't updated the screen, but I would have thought it would have updated the memory. Yeah. That be it. I am getting this right, isn't it? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 503B. So it's definitely 3B50. Right, hang on. Come on. Right, so it's drawing behind, isn't it? It's drawing behind. Right. Okay. B8. So now it's going to be drawing at 3DC0. 3DC0. That's here. Right, I'm not going to put FFs in them, right? So F11. So I'm going to load X is 0. So load the first. Oh, what have you gone back there? There, right. So or it with what we've got on the screen. Store it. Load 8. 0 again. So this is right. So this is put in 06E0. Oh, hang on. No, that's right, isn't it? Still zeros. We'll get it until we... Here we go. Come on. Come on. Next line. Still a 0. Give me a number. Right. What's this one? 1C. Here we go. 1C. Y is 0. So we've probably moved down a couple of lines now. So let's see where it's going to put it. That. There we go. 1C. Can you see it? It's there. It's there. It's put it on the screen. Right. Right, now it's putting them in, look. So I'm gonna get it to go on. Right, now it's on, now it's in the clear, yeah? So it should be doing exactly the same thing. So we was on the 4th iteration, yeah? So that's 0. So this should be picking out 1C to start with. Right? On the 4th line. So this is line 2. Line 3. Right, so the next line, it should pick out. Here we go. Right, so it should be 1C. No! I think I've just figured it out. Hang on, let me just check. I think I've just figured it out. John, you're absolute prat. You twonk.
Ah! What a plank.
Yeah. This one is I don't believe it. Don't believe it. Oh no, I'm not doing that. How many days have I wasted doing this? Oh no. Oh. Oh. Yeah, yes, it is an absolute muppet. Oh. That is so annoying. That is so annoying. That is so annoying. Yeah, but we got the. I've got to do all the other routines. I've got to check. But as you can see, the very first time it puts a sprite on the screen, it leaves a footprint. It leaves a footprint, look. Oh, I can't get it back in the same place. There we go. So it leaves a footprint because of the XOR. Right, okay. Where is it? Instead of doing XOR, let me do this again and then do AND. I think that would solve the ghosting. Right. Let's see. I didn't even see it while I was on holiday. Didn't see it. No, it's still doing the ghosting. Oh, that's because of that. That's because it's a 16 by 16, but the 8x8's working. That is the collision detection. Yeah, so let me just check the other sprite configurations. Let's do the clear 16 by 16. Let's just make sure. Where's the clear 16 by 16? Yeah, this is it. Right, so let's do that and then and do that and that and that and really, John, you know how to make. Let me just do the 8x8. What's it? That's a 16 by 8. Oops.
SP-175, stay on this channel. This is an emergency.
Hey SP, welcome. You've just missed a massive Muppet moment. Absolute. Yeah. You've missed a massive Muppet moment. Almost 1.5 hours, is it? Somebody's timed it. Oh dear. I've wasted a holiday on this. I wasted a holiday on this. Right. Let's see. Is it going to do it properly now? Oh, now with power going up. Yeah, yeah. Oh. We've blown a jump. 885 in Sprite. 885 in Sprite. So what's it complaining about? That one. Okay, so we'll do a jump to that, and then we'll do bypass on that. Yeah, I've tried the sprite clear function. I've tried to make it more intelligent while I was on holiday and couldn't figure out why it wasn't working. And then I've come here and then I figure out why it's not working. And look, it now works. Oh, hang on. We're still leaving artifacts. I wonder why that is. See, it's not wiping out. Right, the test is to put a load on the screen, because that was the test, right? Hang on. Let me go to level 1 and get it to put more than 1 on there. I need it to do more than 1. Why is it not putting more than 1 on there? Aha! Because I'm overriding it. That's why. So we shouldn't get any sprites that blank out other sprites. We should get them overriding each other. Like that one there, this one here. That would have been blanking out. Let's do a 16 by 16. So that would be level 5. I think that would be a level 5. Look, they're not wiping anybody out. Look, look. Yeah! Oh, what is going on? Derek! You and your Discord. Shut up! And it shouldn't be wiping out the ship. Look at that! Look at that! Get in there! Right. Where's the toilets? Toilets was level 3? Level 3? I think that was the toilets. No, but that was the other one that... Look! They're overlapping and they're not wiping anybody out. Now that's what I wanted. Still got a problem with the some artifacts. How are we going to sort that out? Why would that be doing that? I mean, why would it be doing that as well? Let me just check out 2. What's 2? I'm looking for a long one. There we go. Now that clearly is not working, is it? So that's 16 by 8. 16 by 8. Let's just check the display routine. Ah, right, okay, we're not we've not modified it. Hang on. Hang on. Right, I can get rid of all this rubbish now because we now know it works. Oh. No, I'll put that back in now. I'll put that back in. So this test here was if the old animation was the same as the new animation, not to clear it out, yeah? So, right, so let me do that. So I've got them both side by side. Because it's basically the same. Right, so I have done this. That's the 16 by 16 done. That's the 8x8. Right, we'll get rid of that as well. Right, 8x16. So this is the toilet. Right, so rem that out. Yeah, do that. Right, so I need to put that in. There. That in there. Then we do... Whoa. Come on, John. Get a grip. Then we do the copy to the clear. So that is all the same. So grab that. So load the old animation. If it's the same as the new, don't bother clearing it out. We shouldn't need to clear it out. Then we load the new animation and draw it. Right, so that one's worked. That's right. Any more? Did I do any more? So that's the 8x16, 8x8, 16 by 16. Oh, I haven't done the other one, have I? Well, maybe we're not using it. Right, let's see if the toilet one works now. Pooh! Why are you not working? Why are you not clearing out? 8x6. Hang on. Where's the lookups? Display.
Oi, John, pay attention to chat.
Line 317. Oh, 371. Yeah, that's meant to be there. That's meant to be... That's meant to... Oh, 8x8. Okay, yeah. Good spot. Good spot. This is what I needed. I needed this on holiday when I was doing it. I knew I should have tried streaming on my mobile. Get everybody to help. Oh dear. Yeah, he needs a lot of points. There we go. And look, it doesn't wipe it out, does the overlay, right? But we're leaving artifacts behind. Now, why would that be? Why would that be? Why would that be, John? John! John! Yeah. And the explosion as well. Look. if I move out of the way, look, it's leaving the explosion as well. I'm just trying to think, why would that be? Is it the delay speed of the anime? No, mate, I don't think it's that. The voice in the back of my head, which I'm now listening to, is saying, really? Could it be that? Right, the voice in the back of my head, right? Am I admitting to that I listen to voices in my head? I may not say that. Right, my little conscience checker in the back of my mind is saying it's first sign of madness, yeah. Oh, so the voice in my mind is saying it's when we're changing the type, the element type. He's saying, I'm calling him a he as well. He's saying that when I let go of the ship, right, so currently it's in thrust mode, but when I let go, it's just in normal mode. So the animation index of the normal ship is not the same as the ship with the flame. And that's why we're leaving artifacts. And same with the firing. Because we're changing from the bullet to the bullet explosion. So that one frame when it does the switch. God, is he right? Is he right? So what we need to do then is in this old and new system that we've got, it looks like we're going to have to have the type in the old and new. So when we're swapping types, the type follows the animation. But if that is right, am I going bonkers because I'm listening to voices in my head? So let's do it. Right. Let's do it. So this is going to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Voices, he said. Saucy, are you thinking the same thing then? So is the voice in the back of is the voice in my head thinking on the right plane? Because it sounds like it could be. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Yeah. Okay. Right. because we've done that, we need to change a couple of routines here. We need to change this one. So we'll grab that and we'll do that. So old type into type, new type into type. Hey Proton, I like that music in that clip. Hey Proton. Welcome, welcome buddy. Oh, no. That's gonna have to be there. Like that. And we're going to have to do a swap. We're going to have to do a swap as well. So let's grab these two. Swap old and new type. Swap old and new type. Very impressive coding you've been doing, mate, by the way. I enjoyed watching it this morning. Right. Okay, so now we've put that in place. So, oh, I need to change. I need to change this as well. I need to change that as well. So old type into type, new type into type, and get rid of that. Thanks, ugly face. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a green screen. I think gonna have to get a green screen. I fancy having been in front of the editor. Yeah, I do fancy that. Like you're doing on your streams. I thought that was very clever. So I'm gonna have to get one. I think. Right. Right, so what we need to do now we've done that, is when we do the draw, we need to do the swap over as well. Hang on, let me find the draw. Draw sprites. Here we go. I need to do. Here we go. We need to do the swap over. So we'll do the same thing again. So swap new and old type in index array. So that then does the swap over for the type. So when we change the type, we got to find all the places where we change the type. Rats. Yes. How am I going to do that? So element item dot type. Yes. So that's going to be dot new. and old. So that's done that one. Can I do these one at a time? Yeah, I can do these one at a time. Good. Right, so I need to... Right, here. So we're going to take that and change it to that. Oh, it's going to do them all. I'll do it myself. Right. So that needs to be new dot. Yeah, okay, mate. I'll have this done by the time you get back. So we're going to make everything run off the new type, not the old type. The new type. Everything's going to be running off the new type. So that's going to run off the new type. That is going to run off the new type. Same with that. Same with that. And that. And that. Where is... Oh, that's over there. Now, there we go. So, yes. Oh, hang on. No. Right, these need to be changed. These need to be changed because we're working out both and we can't now. So we're going to have to do... Right, we're going to have to do this twice. So we'll get rid of that and that. So this is the old that goes into clear base, and then new goes into the drawer. And we'll get rid of that and that. So if I copy all of that, we should be able to do the rest of them. Right, where's the next one? Right, let me do these first. So we get rid of those and do that. Get rid of those and do that. Right, so what have we got left? So that is doing the old. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That's right. This is now doing the new. This is doing the old. New. Old. New. Right. That should be all of them. Ooh. I've got to do this one because I know this is going to come back. I'm going to come back in. Right, that's that one done. Where's the next one? What's that execution on? The explosion. What's this one on? Oh, we're not doing that one. Not doing that one. Not doing that one. Right, not doing that one. Right. Right, let's see if the artifacts are you little too bad. 329. Sprite base clear is there. Oh. Hang on. Right, here we go. Here we go. Do we lose the artifacts? And I'm still swap new to old type. Swap new to old type. That's that new thing I put in, isn't it? Swap new to old type. Swap new to old type in array. Just get rid of scoring. There we go, sprite. Oh, I put type index, wasn't it? Type index. Right. Come on. Missed one. Where's that? In elements, line 23. How did I miss that? Oh, yeah, okay. Maybe I need to do a search on that as well. So elements.type. Let's see if there's anything like that and still knocking about. So there is. That's definitely new. And that is definitely new. Yep, that looks like we should be okay now. Oh, that's added loads of memory. Right then, here we go. Bingo! Bingy-o-wee-o-wee-o! The shield's not blue anymore. Yeah, I know. I know. But watch this, right? Here we go. Watch this. If I reset it. Oh, it didn't do it. Oh, now it's not showing it. It's not showing it now. Ugh. Let's do it again.
Phase 101.
Hey,
First of all, you
Phase.
can see my copper. Okay. Here is the...
Hey, Phase. See, it's blue now. I got a sneaky suspicion. Right, let me load Beep Spriter up. I got a sneaky suspicion because the new Beep Spriter will show it. Here we go. Player ship. Look, in there, it's blue, but it's been set to the flashing colour. Look, how about that? That's my coding. That's my coding. So it's been set to the flashing. So we need to change that to be cyan. So hang on, just click on it. Doop 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 doop. There we go. That's that one. Ooh, hang on. Replace colour. Get in there. Come on. Right, we want to replace the flashing cyan, that one, with that one. Go. Go. Get in there! Ho, 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 ho. Get in there! Right, so close them. Yeah, that's the new function VSCode put in. Right, so we'll save that. We'll let me just make sure the settings. Yeah, it even remembers. Oh, I'm such a good coder. Right, export the Beeb. I'm going to regret saying that now. I'm going to regret that now. Right. So, and that's why it kept changing colours, because it was in flashing mode. So depending on when you activate it, it shows that particular colour. Right, so it should always be cyan now. Shut up. Not my fault. Honest. Oh, I like the fact it doesn't blank anything out now. I do like that. I do like that. Right. I want to try level 6. Level 6. Let's just make sure that's still okay. We did 5. And we need to try level 4 as well. What? What now? What now? Oh, I'm such a good coder. Right, export the Beeb. I'm going to regret. Oh, I'm. See, this is I think this is suffering the same thing. I think the legs are in flashing mode. So let's. Oh, you fixed it on yours. Let's see. Well, that one isn't. That's fine. There we go. Now I've put this flashing stuff in, look. Now I've put the flashing stuff in it. Well, there's some others as well. We got some here. I'm gonna have to build this so I can distribute it with all the current developments in it, so people can play and test. So that's another one that we need to do. No Proton. I've not played with any sort of cartridge format. I think the last time I did a cartridge thing was for the basic. Which is odd. Never selected the flashing colours. I know. I've suffered from it because you saw the shield. What I'll do is I'll make a build and I'll put it on Discord so people can grab it, and then they can play. Right. So I need to do 4. I need to test that 4's still working because we haven't done that one as well. And then if that's the case, we're going back onto the collision detection. Oh, that doesn't bode well. That's 16B8, isn't it? That's 16B8. So what would that be? Where's the lookups? Right, let's get rid of that. Assets. 8B8, 8B16, 16B8s. Level. Oh, we can't have done level 3. We did try level 5 though, didn't we? Oh, it's 16B16. Oh. Level 3. Hang on. That was work. No, it's not level 3. It's level 4, isn't it? It's that one. Oh, I've just shut that down by stupid. Level 4. Oh, it's that. Let's just make sure I've imported the right thing. So level 4, right, hang on. Level 4 info. Rotating ship 1, 2, 3. Rotating ship 1, 2, 3. Right, where's the lookups? Let's just make sure I've got this right. Level 4 mode 2. Rotating ship 1, 2, 3. Okay. Level 4 mode 2 base location. So that's still pointing in the right place. Okay. Four. Da, 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 da. Level 4 is 4 frames, so that's fine. (16 by 16), so that's the base. Oh, I've just figured out why my explosion's not working. Sprite 10. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Ah, that's why. That's why. Before I do anything stupid, export it in the right format. There we go. See that one there? Where is it? This one, it's got two. There's two on top of each other. Right then. Right, I've just... Excuse me. I think I've just figured out why my explosion's not working. Hang on. What's the base sprite for the explosion? 11. 11. I think I've just figured out why my explosion's not working. I think it's 11. Oh no, it's 14. No, it's 14. Oh, am I missing some other 8x8s? Oh, I am. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8x8s. Where's 8x8s? 1, 2, 3. No, I'm not. No, fine. Right. Why? Why did that not pick it up? Right. Enough of that, John. Get back on. Get back on. Right. Just bear me a second. Right. So now we've figured that out. 8x8. 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 Here we go. Right. Draw draw. So why? Oh no, we generalized it, didn't we? (16 be 16, 8 be 8). So I think we generalized it. Hang on. Where's the base? Where's the base? Here we go. Add to lookup sprite base. Lookups sprite base, and it's an index. Right. So we changed it. It's this. It's this now. So 14 is our 8b8. Not this anymore. Right, I'm going to have to rend that out because that's going to get really confusing. Right, so, right, back to level 1. Back to level 1, and in Aliens, level 1, we are just adding 1. We are just adding 1. Level 1. So we're just doing that. So we're just adding 1. I just want 1 alien knocking about. Cheers, matey. Cheers, matey. Right. So we've got 1 bad guy, yeah, and I've slowed him down so it's easy for me to hit him. Right. So I think I've got the collision detection working. Because watch. Right. He's stopped. Right. He's stopped. So the collision detection's working, but the problem is the type, I don't know what's happening, right? I don't, because it doesn't seem to be, it should have converted that into an explosion and ran the explosion animation, but as you can see, nada, nothing happened, nothing. How can I test that how can I test that it went through the explosion? Right. We're going to have to find the execution for the explosion. There we go. So, don't want that, don't want that. There we go. 3C, 23 3C. So let's search for 23 3C. 23 3C. Is that it? No. That one, is it? That's the one. No, that's insert. Oh, yeah, it's right. Oh, I think I might have just figured out why it's not working. Oh, that would explain a lot. That would explain a lot. Planks and Muppets on standby. Yeah. Yeah, it might. Hang on. It might explain a lot. Hang on. Have I put the animation code in yet? Let's see. Explosion. That would be a no. I've remmed it out. Right. So,
John, you muppet.
oh dear. Right, let's just do that and stop that. Right, yeah, right. So, we are loading the old animation index. Increase. We compare it with the number of frames in the explosion. If we're not there yet, then we store the next index in there and we tell it to redraw. If we are there, then we convert the element type from being explosion to dead. And I haven't written the code for dead yet, so right. So let me just check the lookup for display, because I think that's just going through the standard display 8x8. Hang on. So explosion 8x8, yeah, that's just going through display 8x8. Yeah. Right. Let's see if we get an explosion. Right. So the collision detection's working, yeah? That seems to be working. And I had to do a bit of jiggery pokering. I'll show you in a bit what I mean. Right, let's get it started. Right, where is he? Where is he so I can shoot you down? Right, you're coming at that angle, so I'm going to need to be about there. There? Yeah, there. Come on. There we go. See, it's not there yet. The collision detection's still not there yet. But it still didn't do the animation. It still didn't do the animation. Hey D-Type, welcome. Welcome. Right. So I'm going to have to do the breakpoint to find out if it's doing the animation. So let's find out where it's going. So if I go into... Have I still got thingy dump open? No, I haven't. Right, where is it? Am I in the right place? Yes, I am. There we go. So we need to put 23.3c as a breakpoint. So let's do that. So let's refresh it. Right, while it's waiting. Debugger. Break 23.3c. I think that was the one, innit? 23.3c, yeah. Right then. So, F1. Oh dear. Does slow down. Come on. Refresh rate goes right through the floor when you got the debugger open. Right, let's see. Go on, fire. Well, I hit it and it didn't break. Right, so I hit it, but it didn't break. So, right. So we'll go to level 1 because it must be somewhere there. So level 1, it does the execution, it redraws it, and I've got another jump loop, yeah, that does the detection of the collision, which is here. So when it's done the collision detection, it comes to here. Now we load the whichever laser we're checking, right? So we transfer that into X, and then we load the dead element, and we set the laser to be dead. You know, we're finished with you, right? Done. Kaput. And then set it to none, and then we run the insert, but it's not actually running an insert. It's right. Let's do a split. Because all it's doing is it should be just mapping. Right, insert 8x8. Here we go. So it should be just. Oh, that's me. That's me adding it to the screen. Maybe that's what I need to. Yeah, that's what I need to do. Right, okay. Let's change this. So, not do that. I want to get it to be. I'm trying to get it to display on the screen. Yeah, that's what I was doing before I started the stream. Because I don't think it's right. See, there's nothing there. Nada, nothing, nada. See, I'm setting it to be at index 3030. So that should be somewhere on the screen. And then insert into the array. So it should be in the array. But there is nada. So I'm going to put that breakpoint back in again. I'm going to put the breakpoint back in. I'm going to see if it breaks. See if it actually breaks. Because if it doesn't, then we're not running through the code. Right, break 233C. Right. Here we go. Go. No, not running through it at all. Okay. Oops. So this is the array. This is the array. This is our what's it array. So this is our bad guy array. So this is the ship, the two lasers, then our first element. So 8x8. What's 8x8? What's the type for 8x8? Constants. Where's the constants file? Right. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 is... Cheat, John. One six. Thank you. But that is not set to 1.6. That's 1E. That's dead. That's dead. Right, let's run it through main debugger. Let's see if we can see what's happening with the memory. Right. So it's BP set 233C, just in case. Right. So we are looking at OEOO memory. OEOO memory. There. Right. So F5. No. F5. That's it. So that is now waiting for me to press the button. Right, so here we go. Oh, it's gone straight to 1E. It's gone straight to 1E. And I think that's dead. I think that's dead. He's 30. No, that can't be dead. Dead's there. So 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9, 1A. 1A. Okay. Am I let's put a breakpoint somewhere. Let's put a breakpoint here. So 1B 230B 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 BP set 230B. Right. Can I reset this? Soft reset. Right. Come on. Apparently so. Nice. Right. So when I press, we should create... There we go. Breakpoint. We got a breakpoint. Right. Right then. So what am I setting it to? Right, let's have a look in the code. What am I setting it to? Element item type. That's wrong. Oh, element item type. That's what I'm sending in, isn't it? It's a macro. Aliens. Here we go. So I'm sending in. Oh, I'm sending in 16 by 16. What a plank. No wonder it's not working. What a plank. Oh, what a... Right, do we see an 8x8 explosion? Yes, we do. Oh, it's a funny looking thing. Right. So let me get rid of this, because I don't need that. Don't need that. Because all I need to do is just change it. All I need to do is just change it, which is effectively what I'm doing here. So I don't think I need that either. All I need is... I don't need to insert it either. I just need this. I just need to convert it. Right. So convert it to an 8x8. Now that is going to be wrong because I don't want to change the old state. And I don't want to change the old index array. I just want to set the new. Right then. Let's see if we get an explosion. Now the explosion may be wrong, but we'll see if we get it. Come on, come and die. Where are you? Hello? Oh. Arcadia. Yeah. Insert alien here.
Ah! What a plank.
It's been a few of them today. Right. Here we go. Here he is. Right, let's shoot him out the sky. Here we go. Fire! 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 Right, for some reason, I think the first bullet's not getting it, or the second bullet's not reacting. So we'll do that again. Shift F12, that was it. Yeah, that's what I think's happening as well, to be honest. You did say that before as well. Right, okay. Right, let's get a little bit closer. Right. It just went straight through. Where's he gone? Oh, well, there he is. The thing is, I've got this checking every cycle. I've got this thing checking every cycle. I do have this thing checking every cycle, so I don't know why. Well, let's just confirm that only one of them is hitting it, yeah? Oh no, it did it on that side. Right, the explosion's a bit naff. And also setting the bullet to dead is naff as well. So we might need another state. We might need another type just to do blank or something. I'm not sure how I'm going to do that. We're used to jumping a bad shot. But it did do it, and it went through the animation, but the animation's a bit screwed up. So I think I've got my settings wrong on the animation. So let's just make sure that everything's right. So lookups. So the explosion, where's 8x8? So the explosion is there. And it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9... 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So it's definitely, so the base address is definitely 11. So the base address is definitely 11, and we've got 5 frames. Oh, I've set it 14. Oh, that could explain a few things. Right, let's just see if that fixes that. Come on, buddy. I think I'm going to check on Aston because I've not heard him for a while. Right, here we go. Well, I also think that it's firing too high up as well. We'll have to have a look at the start points. The bullets are faster than light, yeah. There we go. Well, there we go. Well, that worked, didn't it? That worked. Right, let's just add them all. Let's just add them all back in. But I think the bullets are too hot. I think the bullets are firing too high up. To be honest, they're definitely higher up. But we'll see if we can shoot some of these down. Yeah. Well, there's the first one. It's hit and miss, isn't it? Why is it hit and miss? Well, it's a bit temperamental, but should we call that as a feature of the game? Seeing as it's a game jam game. I mean, it hit then. And it's hit then. Yeah, it's... See, what I had to do was... on the execution, right? So, oh, where's the execution? So there we go. Here's the execution cycle. Yeah. So we do the execution. Yeah. And so we come off down to here. Yeah. And we check to see if the timer's fired, yeah? So if the timer hasn't fired, we don't bother executing the execution routine. But what I wanted was that even if it didn't execute the move, it still checked for a collision, yeah? So it still did the collision check, which then comes here and performs the collision check. So it should still do it. Every cycle it should still be checking for the collision. So and then the collision check is just doing the alien's collision detection, which is here. But here I had to change this routine as well from what we did before. Oh, hang on. Oh, where's the other one? Oh, hang on. So this is... So it's loading the... That's the bullet. So, right. So it's loading the bullet. Oh, no. This is loading the current position of the bad guy. And then we're checking against bullet. Right, here we go. So, yeah. So this is the new position of the alien. So I then check it against the new position of the bullet and the old position of the bullet. So if the alien had if the bullet went up and the alien went down, they would miss each other. So what I thought was that if the bullets moved up, the old position is there. So if the aliens moved down into the old position, it's still a hit. So I don't know why. It's not picking it up, because it should be polling every time. It should be polling every time. Right, let me just check on Aston, alright? I won't be a sec. just so you can see. Here he is. Hey. Just so you can see, he's still around, aren't you? Hey. Hey. You won't put him down now, hey? Alright, let's put you down. Right, don't get too upset when you see that he's very unsteady. That's a result of what happened last week. Think he's gone a little bit more blind as well because he doesn't see anything in front of him now. You getting the layout? Or are you after something, eh? So as you can see, he's very unsteady. So anyway, and I woke him up, so I better give him something to as a reward. Hang on. There you go, buddy. There you go. One thing I have noticed, he seems to hear again now. He has some sort of hearing going on.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Cheers, mate. I'll give him some more once he's munched those 3. I'll give him some more. See, he can't see them, but his nose is still working. Look, he'll find them. Oh, he was so close. Turn round, mate, turn round. He was so close. Look, they're there. Under your nose, mate. Under. He moves away. Oh, he's found one. He's found one. No. You don't.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Insert duck. Alright then, because it looks like you don't want those. Oh, he's walked away. Anyway, right, where were we? Where were we? Oh yeah. So colliding with the bullet. So I had to make it that we test the new position of the bullet as well as the old position, yeah? But it should be firing the collision detection whether we execute that type or not. Right? Come on, mate, that stunk. God. So doesn't matter if we've reset the timer. If we're not going to move, I still want to check that the current element that would have been executed is still not colliding with anything, yeah? So I run it all the time. I run this collision detection, which is basically the same as the execution, but it runs the collision detection, detection system for the alien. And in this particular case, level 1, where are we? Level 2, level 1, runs this, yeah? So it then runs, it tests the first laser, and does collision detection of it. And if you remember, so if I do this, right? So if we go to the collision detection system, right? So we're doing the collision detection 8x8, which is down here. So basically all it is loading, the loading the X and Y of where the element we're checking is now, with the bullet index. So this one is checking the first one, this one's checking the second one. And so when it's doing a collision, the end result of the collision is the carry is set or the carry is cleared. So if we go here, there we go. So the output is, if the carry is set, there's been a collision. If it's clear, there hasn't been. So basically we test the bullet new X against the alien X. We test the bullet new Y against the alien new Y. Yeah. If they're not equal, then we test the bullet old X against the alien X, and the bullet old Y against the alien Y. So if all of those, oh, maybe that's the problem. Oh, maybe that's the problem. Because that's basically saying all 4 tests must match. Ah, that's the problem. Right, okay, how are we going to do that then? How are we going to do that? Right, if the new... Yeah, you're right. So we need to... Yeah. So we need to go here, don't we? Test old position. Yeah. So if the first time it fails, see that, yeah. So if it comes through these two, then it's hit. We're guaranteed hit. So we will just basically do this, because that's 1, 2, 3 bytes. So we might as well do the jump. We might as well do the jump and do it to here. Might as well do the jump. Right, so if we test this and it's not right, then we know the new position's not, so then we test this one. If it's not right, then we clear out. If this is the same, but then this is not, then we test the old position. If it is the same, then we're on a winner. And same hit. Right, okay, let's see if that has got a better detection rate. Oh, I forgot what I was doing then. Right. Cool, mate. That stunk. Right. Well, that is. That is doing it, isn't it? Yeah, it's hitting on every hit now. It's doing it. But the problem is we're leaving artifacts. Forget the explosion artifact. We can solve that. But it's leaving the bullet artifact. And I think the problem with the bullet artifact is I think we're going to have to, instead of just killing the bullet off in its tracks, I think we're going to have to tell it to do the bullet explosion. So let's go to where we do dead. So instead of sending the dead to the bullet explosion, I think we're going to have to send the instead of sending dead to the bullet, I think we're going to have to send the bullet explosion to it. Oh, I've forgotten what it is. What can I get rid of? Ship. I don't need ship, do I? And element I don't need at the moment. Constants. Where's Constants? Ship laser explosion. That's what I need. So if we tell it to be the ship laser explosion, and we don't do that, that might solve it, because that might just clear it up. Right, let's try it. Right. Do I need to do an insert? No. Yes, we need to do the explosion insert for the actual bad guy. Oh, we caught that. It must have moved, but we hadn't drawn it. That needs to be looked at. Dave. No, you're alright, mate. Right. I think because we're testing the new position of the sprite, right. Let me just check. Let me just check this explosion insert. Am I actually wiping out the old? So I'm changing the type on the new, and I'm changing the animation index on the new. So it should erase the old position. It should erase the old position. Let me right, I'm just going to do I'm just going to do this. I'm just wondering if I need to check the old position anymore. Let me just see if I need to check the old position anymore. Well, that's not going to work, is it? That'll do it. Ooh. What now? Oh. Right, maybe I don't need to check the old position anymore. Yeah, maybe I don't need to check the old position anymore. Right, so for the 8x8 explosion, we're going to need a clear out like we did with the bullet, yeah? You remember it when we did the player bullet, we added a blank frame in there. Oh, not the player bullet, the explosion of the player bullet. Hang on. This one. Yeah, we added... Yeah, so we're going to use this the bullet blank frame. So let's get into lookups. Let's close that down. Do lookups. Just go into the array. So in fact now we're going to need a 6th frame. We're going to need a 6th frame because it's 5 frames at the moment. So we're now a 6th frame animation like that, and we'll put that in the 8x8 explosion, which is there. So it's now a 6th frame, and then here we're going to take that one and add it to that one. So that is now 11 to 16. And I need to set the maximum now, don't I? Which I don't think is in here. Oh, no, that could be it there. 6. That could be it there. Sprite frames. But I think it's also in constants, I think. Oh, sprite frames here as well. 6. I'm going to have to see if this is used or the other. I think it's the other. I think it's the generalization when we did the generalization. But this is not applying the frames. Ooh. Let's see if I can... Whoa! Undo. Let's see if we can find if we're using this, yeah? I don't think we're using it. I don't think we're using this. We're definitely using the sprite base. Yeah, we're definitely using the sprite base. That's here. We was using it in the old way, but we've remmed it all out. But I don't think we're using this sprite frame. No. We're only using the constant. Right. That's going to save us some bytes. Right, let's see now. Let's see if the bullets disappeared properly. Oh, was it the bullets I was doing? No, it was the explosion, wasn't it? Right, here we go. Right, okay, that seems to be working, so let's speed things up. So we've got the ship explosion running at 8, so we'll do the same thing for the explosion of the 8x8. Right. So, let's see what it looks like. Hey, we're getting there. Getting there. Right. Have I got another 8x8? Bad guy. No, I haven't, have I? It's just level 1. We haven't done the bouncing balls, mate, because we're running out of space. Look. If I do it now... running out of space. We're at 2D4E now. And we're rapidly running out of space. So we might have to... I don't know what we can do. Because we haven't even done all the game logic. And we've still got to code all the collision detection for all the others as well. Compress them and decompress them, yeah. I'm just running out of time because we've only got 2 weeks left on this. And we've still got to put a title screen in. We've got to do the level elevation. Yeah. Right, let's see. We haven't even put the 60. No, mate, because we've used that space. We've used that space in the memory map now. If you remember, because we've moved these sprites up into 0400 to 0800, remember? And I think 0700 is where the user-defined graphics are. User-defined characters would be. So we're literally running out of space. And I've still got to put in 16 by 16 in. Ugh. Yeah, I've just been thinking whether to use the 8x8 explosion for all the other stuff. I didn't realise we was running out of this much space. But I mean, that means we've only got what, 300 bytes of free space left, according to that. There's no way we're going to get the game logic in there, or the title screen, or anything else. I don't know what. I mean, we haven't even got any noises. Not doing well in these game jams, am I? Sound on the BBC is awful. You had a look at it? Oh, right, okay. Oh, I don't... I mean, we could drop to mode 5 and do 4 colours. I suppose that will give us half the space back, I suppose. 5 octave square only, yeah. Or we just drop down to 8x8 on everything. And then get rid of the 6... I suppose we'd have to keep the 16 by 16 for the ship. But just drop everything down to 8x8s. Or mode 5, yeah.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Kylo, oh, you Docster's got a gifted sub. Oh, Kylo, thank you very much for the gifted sub, mate. He hands out all these subs, but never subs himself. I mean, it's the man's mental. So he suffers the adverts and just gives it to everybody else.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh dear.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber.
It's bonkers.
Stay a while. Stay forever.
It's bonkers. Oh, Kylo, stop it.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever. Oh my God, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me. Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay
Oh, guys, stop
Stay
it.
forever.
What's been said? Everything's been zipping past. Right, mode 5, yeah. We'll gain 10k on the screen as well. Right, okay. It's bad enough with 8 colours and you're limiting to make it worse than the CGA game. Yeah. Lovely channel with a lovely presenter. Oh, that's too kind, Kylo Dos. That is too kind.
Oh my God, more bits?
Oh,
thank you very much. You
What's
guys
going
really
on?
spoil me.
Docster was so shocked at being gifted a sub that he slipped and pressed the button. I deserve... No, I don't. No, I don't. I don't deserve this. No. I do this for fun. Right, so... Got a problem. We can... Gaining... Yeah. I know we've talked about this before. I know we have. Yeah, if dropping down to 8B8 will get us about 2k back, will that be enough to do the game logic, the screen, the intro screen, because we got to put the text on the intro screen and everything? Oh, Docster, you haven't
Hi,
done...
John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, Docster.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay
Hey, well,
forever.
Derek's got one. He is crazy.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
Oh, guys.
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
What have I missed?
Hi, John here. Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
What have I missed? But mate, honestly, you're an enjoyable streamer and your content is good. Oh, that is very kind of you. I mean, that is very kind. And your fails are fantastico. Oh dear. He's crazy, but we love him. Is that to Docster, not me? Read up before. This is why Edina's videos take so long. Oh, I've given up on the hypertrain takeouts. Oh. Yeah, you too. You give out the subs, but you don't sub yourself. Oh dear, guys. Yes, you are. You are. You two. You're nuts. So back to the problem in hand. If we drop down to mode 5, that gives us 10k back, but then we're down to 4 colours. Yeah. I'll be frank with you. I didn't expect to stay here this long. Oh, that is so kind. I know you're a patron, mate. I know you're a patron. Oh, that's so kind of you, Kylo Dos. That's so kind of you. I do this just to teach people. Hopefully people learn. That's why I do this. Anyway, so back to the task in hand. Do we drop down to 4 colours and regain 10k, or do we drop down to the 8x8 and gain 2? I am incapable of learning. And also a multi-support. Yes, you are. You are, mate. You are that as well. That as well. But you guys know I don't expect this, all right? I don't expect this sort of thing. I'm not that sort of person. I do this because I like doing it. Right. Can substitute some of the 16 byte. 16.
Hi, John here.
What?
Another subscriber. Stay a while. Stay forever.
I gifted the bot. Oh. Oh, that is so funny. That is so funny. Oh. Hang on. You got a gifted sub, mate. Just talking to the bot. Oh. That's brilliant. That is brilliant. Oh. Now I'm about to beat the record in the hypertrain, am I? A tier 3 for the bot? You are joking. Oh no. Rats. Yeah, I understand that now. Oh, I can't believe it. I don't know what to say, mate. That's Twitch for you, I suppose. But thank you very much for the tier 3 for the bot. I think the bot will be happy. Yeah, the bot hasn't crashed. It hasn't crashed yet. Touch wood. Oh dear. That was funny that the bot got one, but I didn't realise it was a tier 3. Oh, right. Anyway. Oh, thank you for the gifting of the subs, mate. Please don't take the fact that I was laughing because you gave it to the bot as thing, but it was still very generous of you. It's just unfortunate Twitch sent it to the bot. Right. What should we do? I've missed a... What should we do? I've got to go back up an hour. What was the last thing we were saying? Can substitute the 16 by 16 byte for 8s. Where are we? I saw something else in there. I'm not sure how far 2K will get us, but don't like the idea of 4 colour mode either. Yeah, I know, it's a difficult decision. We can either, but I mean, how many 16 by 16 sprites have we got in here? Let's just see how many we've got, yeah? So lookups will tell us better than so in there we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So the 6 we can't get rid of, yeah? Oh, I suppose we could get rid of the shielded ones as well. Yeah. I suppose we could get rid of the shielded one. Oh, well done, everybody. Well done. Level 3. Well done, everybody. So we could get rid of them, but we'd have to get rid of these because we've got what 4, 8, 12 sprites. And how many's in a how many bytes are in a sprite? Hang on. Let's go in here. Ship. Oh, right. So there's 128 bytes. 128 bytes for a 16 by 16. Wow. Wowzer. So we could gain 256 there. So that must be a K. That must be a kilobyte. No. 128. That's 256. Right, that's half a kilobyte there. 1, 1.5. If we get rid of that, that's 1 3/4. Then replace them with an 8x8 version. And the 8x16 is half of that. So that'll be 64 bytes for each one of these. Well, what do we do? You never get any choo-choo message anymore. That means you probably do it way too often. Right. I just looked at your last gift sub, mate. Right? And according to this, you've done 461. I think. Or am I looking at an old one? Well, I'm looking at an old one. $461 gift subs, mate. I mean, that's just. Oh, hang on. Yeah, 461 gift subs you've handed out. That's just ridiculous. That's bonkers. How many gift subs have you sent? Hang on. Kylo Dos has gifted 17. You've gifted 17, mate. You're nuts. You're all nuts. You're all nuts. Right. So what we're doing? Are we going down to 8B8, or are we converting to mode 2, mode 5? What do you think we should do? I need guidance, right? I need guidance. Because if we go to 8B8, then we're going to... So for every one 16 by 16 sprite, we will get 4 8B8s out of it, yeah? So right, if you don't like to drop down to mode 5, then we're going to have to do the 8B8s. So we're going to have to do all the 8B8s and resize the ones that we've got. Yeah? But we'd have to keep the ship as a 16 by 16. And I mean, that was another thing as well, because the ship was the ship bullets were still too high up, weren't they? Hang on, let me do it again. Yeah, they're firing too high up. Right, let me let's go into the bullets and knock them down. Yeah, it's here. It's that. So if we do that, let's see if they... Easier to replace them. Well, we've got plenty of 8B8s. I know that for a fact. Oh, that's better. That is better. Oh, I've just... Oh, I'm hitting... Oh, we had out to sync bullets. Look, got out to sync bullets. We are true Arcadia. We got out to sync bullets. Yay! Right. So we do have some 8B8 sprites that we can replace them with, yeah? So we have in the new, we've got these fellas that oh, who sent me those? Oh, that's really bad that I've forgotten. Oh, was it? Oh, Frory. And then we've got some of these. So we've definitely got some 8B8s that we can replace them with. There's also... Who did the tongue? Oh, that was... I laughed when I saw that one. And we have the font as well. We have the game font. Now, with the game font, we don't have to have all these characters loaded up. We don't have to... Yes, I know they were yours as well. The font is 32 kilobytes, yeah. But we don't have to have all the characters in. We'll need all the numbers, but we don't have to have all the characters. We can just have, you know, but we'll see. Right, okay, what I'll do is, in between streams, I will convert our 16 by 16 into 8x8. What else? So we're gonna... So we're replacing... How many are we replacing? So we've got 3 sets. So 3 sets of bad guys. So there's 1. There's 1. There's 2. 3. Eugene and the rotating... No, we've got 3 lot. We've got 3 sets. We've got the blue ones. The bouncing ball, yes. Oh, we've got all these as well, haven't we? So hang on. We've got the...
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Oh, that's a big one. Who's followed? Say hello, who's followed? Hello, Steel Golem. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Right, okay. Alien Walker. That's the 16x8, isn't it? Rotating boxes. Here we go. That's an 8x8, isn't it? Yeah. Right. What else we got? Rotating boxes. That's not an 8x8. That's a 16, isn't it? Yeah. What else we got? Flaming arrow. Is that an 8x8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's a 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a 12x8. We wouldn't have been able to use that one. Bouncing Walker. Oh, that's an 8x16, isn't it? Pulsar. Oh, yeah, we got this fella as well, haven't we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So we've got plenty of 8x8s to get on with. Bouncing balls. There we go. We've got to have the bouncing ball in there. Yeah. We've got to have the bouncing ball in there. So let's do that. Add sprites. Play. Right, let's just stop that. Now. There we go. That one works like that, yeah. That one works like that. So, yeah. So, we've got plenty of 8x8. So, what I'm going to do is... Oh, that's a 8x16, isn't it? So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to reduce the 16x16, and I'm actually going to get rid of the shield as well. I'm going to get rid of the shield as well. So, we've not got the shield. And then, hopefully, that will give us enough memory to do the game logic have the screen on, because I think the title screen is going to have to be mode 7. I think. Yeah, it's mode 7, isn't it? Or is it mode? Yeah, it's mode 7. It is mode 7, isn't it? Oh, my brain's going to pot. Yeah, mode 7. Then we can use the same collision detection. Then we can use the same collision detection for everything. Yeah, so we don't have to have a different collision detection for everything. Yeah, mode 7 is the default, isn't it? So the title screen can be done in mode 7. Yeah, like we did with Myriad. You remember what we did with Myriad? Hang on, let me load it up just for the guys that have never seen it before. Just for the guys that have not seen it before. I do. I think I have. Have I got a... Did I have a workspace? Yes, I did. There it is. Right. Let's fire it up. So we could do something very similar to this, yeah? We don't need as much, but we definitely need these. We definitely need the game jam text in there, or they'll disqualify us if we don't. So yeah, we can do something similar to this, yeah, and just make it as basic as we can get away with, to be honest. So yeah, I mean, I didn't know whether we're going to stick with Arcadia or not, yeah. But yeah, right. So right, so that's the plan. Is right? Where am I? What needs to be done? Here we go. Beebcadia. Oh, there's an idea. Okay. Beebcadia. Arcadia, obviously. Arcadia. If there's anybody else that's got any others, but I think this is probably the winner. I think this is probably the winner. Yeah. So what have we done? Right. We need to change all 16 by 16 to 8 by 8, except the ship. The collision detection routine is nearly done. Death routine, gotta do. Build the reallocation routine, that's done. Get explosion sprite coded. Well, that is done then. If we're going to 8x8, then that's done. That's done. We haven't done the scoring yet. Font, we have one. Bullet sprites and animation explosion, that's done. Alien explosion sprite, yes, that's done. No longer needed. Right, so let's see what we got. Ship system, yeah, that's done. Control system's done. Makes the sprite library work. Yeah. Well, I think that's done now. We've got it done properly now. Game animation control system, bullet and explosion system, collision detection system, nearly. Alien ray, yes, yes. Alien shooting back, we haven't done that one yet. Scoring system, no. Timer system, no. Leveling up system, no. No, no, no. So we got a few things to do still, and 2 weeks to do it in. Right. So I will convert to 8x8 off stream. Yeah. Because I'll be streaming tomorrow as well. So I'm going to be doing a hot part and part. So we're going to do Beep. We're going to have Beep Spriter where we're gonna pull in the changes that the guys have done to Beep Spriter, and I was thinking of what was I thinking of doing on that stream if it didn't take too long. Oh, try and fix the bug, yeah, in the exporter. Try and fix the bug, and then we'll come back to this, yeah, on tomorrow's stream. So hopefully by tomorrow's stream I would have converted it to an 8x8. If I've not, then we'll do it on tomorrow's stream. Depends how busy work is. Yeah. Or I could do it in the dinner time. All right then, guys. Well, once again, another 4-hour stream. Oh, I'm not going to edit this. I'll chop out all the rubbish at the start, but that's about it. I'll leave everything else in. Right then, guys. So I'll stream. I'll be on tomorrow at the usual time, 8 o'clock UK time. Yeah, so much for no more 2 hours, no more than 2 hour streams. Yeah. Yeah, that didn't last long, did it? Yeah. So tomorrow, 8 o'clock UK time, I'll be back on. Like I say, I'll do a part and part. Beep Spriter, we're gonna keep that. Try and keep the momentum up on that going, and then we'll move to this. Hopefully, I would have converted it to an 8x8 by tomorrow. Hopefully. I'll try and do it in the dinner time tomorrow, and then we'll try and get everything else in. Oh, you're so kind. You're so kind, Kylodos. All right, guys. Right, I will see you guys tomorrow evening. All right. Have a good one. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I'd like to thank all the patrons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.